My name is Luca Cantelli. I'm a qualified attorney in New York. I passed the QLTS assessments on my first attempt, and I was admitted to the role of solicitors on April 15th, 2014. I'm an attorney. I'm based in the Cayman Islands, where I'm the managing director of a fiduciary service provider. I practice in the areas of wealth and tax planning and trust and estate administration. I attended the University of Siena School of Law in Italy and New York Law School in the United States. As an international wealth planner, I deal with clients from all over the world, and I set up structures such as trusts, investment funds, companies in different jurisdictions, particularly in the British overseas territories. I decided to take the QLTS exam to have access to jurisdictions such as Cayman Islands, B.V.I, Anguilla, and others. With a full-time job and a family, I needed a review course that would narrow down the materials. With my experience with New York bar exam many years ago, I knew the value of a good review course. And no doubt the QLTS offers the best review course in the market. I found it most productive to focus on the mock exams, and I followed my tutor's guidance, and I supplemented that with mock interviews with another candidate. Well, the mock exams for the MCT, for OSCE, I had a very responsive tutor, was always available in spite of the time difference. My office hours are very long as we deal with clients from different time zones, so I didn't have much time to spend on studying. I usually studied two hours each day during the week and 3 hours a day on weekends. It took me about 4 months to prepare for the MCT and 6 months for OSCE. My firm was supportive in the sense that they let me take some time off when I set for the exams, but I always studied on my own time. I never took any vacation days or personal days to study. I was pretty confident for the MCT exam as I knew what to expect. Less confident for OSCE as it was more difficult to predict what the exam was going to be like. My responsibilities have not changed. I'm still the managing director of a Cayman Islands-based fiduciary service provider. However, I'm more confident when I advise international clients on asset protection and estate and tax planning. Well, in my job, we set up vehicles such as trusts, companies, investment funds that are governed by laws that are based on English common law. So the knowledge of English law is key. Yes, I feel it's necessary, particularly for those who have a full-time career and other commitments. Well, this really depends on each individual's background and schedule, but in general, I recommend starting early and practicing skills with another candidate. I recommend it to any attorney involved in cross-border transactions for multinational clients. The ability to take a holistic approach when advising clients and responsiveness, and also the ability to give practical solutions.